Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2138-00 and P2138 signify a fault related to the Accelerator Pedal Position (APP) sensor, specifically concerning the incorrect voltage correlation between APP sensor A and APP sensor B, or the throttle position (TP) sensor. The PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, monitors the voltage from these sensors to ensure they align according to specified parameters. If a deviation is detected between the readings, it signifies a fault and stores the DTC in its memory. The APP sensors are critical as they provide the necessary information regarding the position of the accelerator pedal, enabling the vehicle's engine control systems to adjust fuel intake and throttle response appropriately. These sensors are integrated within the accelerator pedal module, making them difficult to access without specific procedures. Addressing errors related to this DTC is vital for ensuring optimal vehicle performance and safety, as incorrect voltage readings can lead to drivability issues. The error described by DTC P2138 involves the accelerator pedal position APP sensor A and B, which measure the voltage associated with the accelerator pedal position. If the voltage readings deviate significantly, this indicates there is an abnormality, prompting the PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, to log the DTC. This defect is critical as the APP sensors directly influence the vehicle's throttle response and overall engine performance. The accelerator pedal module houses these sensors, complicating direct access for inspection or replacement. The PCM's role in monitoring the voltage from these sensors is essential to maintaining an efficient engine control system, which relies on accurate input data to regulate performance parameters effectively. Several potential causes could lead to the DTC P2138 being triggered. A primary suspect is a faulty accelerator pedal position APP sensor, which may fail to provide accurate voltage readings due to internal malfunction or wear. Additionally, wiring issues between the sensor and the PCM, such as short circuits or poor connections, can cause discrepancies in voltage signals. The PCM itself may also be at fault. If it fails to process the received inputs correctly, it can misinterpret the data from the APP sensors, leading to an abnormal voltage correlation. Identifying the exact cause is crucial for effectively resolving the DTC and restoring the vehicle to its optimal performance state. Several symptoms may manifest if DTC P2138 is present in a Honda CR-V. A common symptom is an unresponsive accelerator pedal, where pressing the pedal does not yield revs or acceleration, indicating a potential failure in the APP sensor readings. There are also likely engine performance issues, such as erratic acceleration or stalling, which directly correlate to the incorrect voltage readings from the sensors. Additionally, drivers may notice the activation of the check engine light on the dashboard, alerting them to a malfunction that requires attention. Recognizing these symptoms early is essential to address the issue and avoid further engine or drivability problems. In the first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P2138, the focus is on checking the vehicle's external circuit. This initial phase involves inspecting the wiring connected to the accelerator pedal position APP sensors for any signs of damage, such as short circuits or frayed wires, which could disrupt the signal transmission to the PCM. It's essential during this inspection to note that APP sensors A and B should provide consistent resistance values. Utilizing specialized diagnostic tools, technicians may perform detailed integrity tests on wiring harnesses to ensure proper connectivity. Should any faults be discovered during this phase, it is imperative to rectify them before proceeding to subsequent inspections. This step lays the groundwork for effective diagnosis, allowing technicians to either isolate the issue to the wiring or confirm that the sensors themselves require further examination. The second troubleshooting step focuses on the APP sensor inspection, which is critical in addressing DTC P2138. Technicians will need to first ensure the vehicle is in the on mode, and then check both APP sensor A and B voltages via the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. It is crucial that the voltage readings align with expected values. For instance, at any given position of the accelerator pedal, the APP sensor A voltage should be approximately twice that of the APP sensor B value. Discrepancies in these readings indicate that there may be a fault within the sensor itself or its integration within the accelerator pedal module. Continuous analysis of the accelerator pedal's movement and the related sensor output will provide insights into the state of the APP system before certifying if further inspection or replacement is necessary. In the third troubleshooting step, technicians must delve deeper into the internal circuitry of the APP sensor by ensuring the PCM connector is disconnected for safety and accuracy during inspection. This involves examining the sensor for continuity, which verifies that the internal components of the sensor are functioning correctly. Technicians will look to confirm that there is no continuity within the sensor when it is off, as any continuity would indicate a fault in the sensor's internal circuitry. If abnormalities are discovered, this signals the need for sensor replacement or further investigation into the accelerator pedal module. By systematically addressing the sensor's internal components, technicians can effectively identify the root cause of the voltage correlation issue indicated by DTC P2138. The fourth troubleshooting step involves PCM inspection, where mechanics will evaluate the powertrain control module that orchestrates the vehicle's engine management systems. Following successful diagnostics of other components, if the APP sensors check out, attention must shift to assessing the PCM functionality. This step is crucial because a well-functioning PCM is vital for correct data processing from the APP sensors. Technicians may utilize specialized diagnostic tools to verify whether the PCM is reporting any errors, as a malfunction here could also be the source of the DTC P2138 issue. When identifying PCM-related problems, remedying or reprogramming may be required. Thorough diagnostics at this stage can ultimately discern whether repair or replacement of the PCM is essential for resolution. After completing the necessary repairs for DTC P2138, a final verification step is crucial to confirm that the issue has been resolved. First, technicians will reset the diagnostic trouble code using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which clears the fault memory in the PCM. Following reset, it is important to take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure that all systems operate normally under various driving conditions. Monitoring the response of the accelerator pedal during the drive is essential to verify that the resolved fault does not reoccur. This component testing helps confirm that the problem has been addressed effectively and the accelerator pedal functions are restored to their optimal state. Proper follow-up verification ensures the reliability of the vehicle's performance and enhances driver safety. Preventive maintenance is essential in avoiding potential issues related to DTC P2138 in the future. Regular checks on the accelerator pedal position, APP sensors, should be included in routine maintenance schedules. This proactive approach allows for the early identification of any discrepancies in the sensor's operations before they become problematic. Furthermore, inspecting the wiring connecting the APP sensors to the PCM during every service can help prevent voltage-related issues caused by wear or damage. Lastly, Regular updates for the PCM software, when available, can resolve underlying problems and enhance operational efficiencies, ensuring the vehicle operates as intended. By incorporating this preventive maintenance strategy, vehicle owners can help ensure reliability and performance longevity. In conclusion, understanding the role and functionality of the Accelerator Pedal Position (APP) sensor is crucial for diagnosing DTC P2138 effectively. Recognizing symptoms early, such as unresponsive pedal actions or engine performance issues, can lead to timely interventions. Conducting thorough diagnostics following the steps outlined will allow for accurate identification of the root cause. Whether it be a malfunctioning sensor, faulty wiring, or issues with the PCM. Following the repairs, ensuring functional verification through testing solidifies the effectiveness of the troubleshooting process. Implementing preventive maintenance will also aid in minimizing the recurrence of such DTCs and promote the continuous optimum performance of the Honda CR-V. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.